Okay. You can get much like you were there. I know you can go to book my. And they have to take it through the tour, at the end of the tour, there's a community community. Whatever you feel like to support the community, you write your social media, you do the video. That is what basically do it. And foreigners, they pay for fancy license, citizens pay for in the office. That is what
People don't know. You need to advertise it. You need to create awareness so that more governments can come for your business for free. So what we do when it comes to Ghana, you are already involved in so who will lead us do that?
And my president, thank you.